This Corsair memory is a dual-channel kit. This memory has two modules, each module having 4 GB. The frequency of this memory is 1333 MHz. Primary timings for this memory are 9-9-9-24. The voltage is 1.50 volts. At the frequency of 457 MHz, primary timings are 6-6-6-17 and tRC equals 22. At the frequency of 533 MHz, primary timings are 7-7-7-20 and tRC equals 26. At the frequency of 667 MHz, primary timings are 9-9-9-24 and tRC equals 33. Here you can see what the CPU-Z program reports about the Corsair memory in the DELL Optiplex 7010 computer. The DELL Optiplex 7010 computer has an i5 processor. In the DELL Optiplex 7010 computer, the Corsair memory works at a frequency of 1333 MHz. At this frequency, the primary timings are 9-9-9-24. At the frequency of 1333 MHz, tRC equals 33. The MEMTest86 program reports 0 errors after the first pass in the DELL Optiplex 7010 computer with Corsair memory. The DELL Optiplex 780 computer originally had a 4 GB Samsung memory kit and it works very well. I bought this 8 GB Corsair memory kit. The Corsair memory has the same speed and the same primary timings as the Samsung memory. The Corsair memory in the DELL Optiplex 780 computer gives the error, memory modules are detected, but a memory failure has occurred. This Corsair memory kit is not defective. This Corsair memory kit works very well in the DELL Optiplex 7010 computer, which is newer than the DELL Optiplex 780 computer. Then I bought 8 GB of G.Skill memory. The G.Skill memory works very well in the DELL Optiplex 780 computer and in the DELL Optiplex 7010 computer. The MEM-Test86 program found no errors in DELL Optiplex 7010 computer with Corsair memory. The MEM-Test86 program found no errors in DELL Optiplex 780 computer with G.Skill memory. The Samsung memory kit and the Corsair memory kit at 667 MHz have the same primary timings and the same tRC. The Samsung memory kit and the Corsair memory kit at 533 MHz have the same primary timings but different tRC. In the DELL Optiplex 780, the Samsung memory works at 533 MHz. In the DELL Optiplex 7010, Samsung memory and Corsair memory both work at 1333 MHz, dual channel. The DELL Optiplex 780 computer works very well. I tested, for example, with a 4 GB memory kit produced by Samsung or with a 8 GB memory kit produced by G.Skill, but it does not work with this 8 GB memory kit produced by Corsair. This Corsair memory kit is not defective. It works very well in the DELL Optiplex 7010 computer, which is newer than the DELL Optiplex 780 computer. In the DELL Optiplex 7010 computer, all the 3 kits above, Samsung and G.Skill and Corsair, work very well. You can find more details in the videos, How to Upgrade Memory. Memory modules are detected, but a memory failure has occurred. Episode 1 and How to Upgrade Memory. Memory modules are detected, but a memory failure has occurred. Episode 2 from the About Computers 2000 YouTube channel. CPU-Z is a free program that displays information about the processor, motherboard and memory. The MEM-Test86 program is a free program that tests the RAM memory of a computer. When MEM-Test86 finds an error, it means that there is a faulty RAM module. More details are in the video description.